Soft, juicy soya chunks coated in a rich, creamy masala. This is one recipe you'll want to make again and again. Hey everyone! Today I'm making a beautifully rich and comforting soya chunks curry. Simple ingredients, but the flavors are absolutely amazing. Let's start by soaking the soya chunks in hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes. This helps them become soft and perfectly absorb all the flavors later. After 10 minutes, gently squeeze out all the excess water and set them aside. Now for the marination. This is where the magic begins. Add salt, chili powder, jeera powder, and coriander powder, followed by a little oil and some curd. Mix everything really well so each piece is nicely coated. Let this sit for a while and soak in all those beautiful spices. Meanwhile, in a pan, heat some coconut oil and add cumin seeds. As they begin to crackle, add sliced onions and cook them slowly until they turn perfectly golden. This adds such a deep, rich flavor to the curry. Transfer this into a blender, add chopped tomatoes and a handful of cashews and water, and blend it into a smooth, creamy paste. Back in the same pan, add a little oil and gently fry the marinated soya chunks until they turn slightly golden on the outside. This gives them a lovely texture. Do consider liking the video and subscribing. It truly means a lot. Now remove the soya chunks and keep them aside. In the same pan, add a bit of oil along with a touch of ghee and some cumin seeds. Now pour in the freshly ground masala paste. Let it cook slowly for about 5 minutes, allowing the raw flavors to mellow and everything to come together beautifully. Add a splash of water and cook for another couple of minutes. Now sprinkle in chili powder, coriander powder, turmeric powder, and garam masala. Mix well and let the spices bloom. Add the fried soya chunks back into the pan and gently mix, letting them soak up all that rich, flavorful gravy. To finish, add freshly chopped coriander leaves and a little fresh cream, giving it that final touch of richness and elegance. Let it simmer for just 2 more minutes. And there you have it, a creamy, aromatic, and truly satisfying soya chunks curry, ready to be served. Enjoy it hot with roti, naan, or a bowl of rice, and savor every bite. Do let me know in the comments if you try this recipe. Thank you for watching.